Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. Today we're going to do a quick project. I'm actually going to show you the computer. I figured out, I think, how to record audio and video without using a camera pointing at the computer screen, so it should look really good. But just in case it doesn't, we are doing a pencil bench, and right here it is finished. And it's so cool, guys. This is a great back to school and homeschooling. If parents are decorating their stuff for home, I'm peeling tape. If parents are decorating stuff for homeschool setups, or teachers just want something clever for their classrooms, this is a great project. I really didn't think it was going to do well. I made 6 of them, took them to the farmer's market this weekend, or last weekend, and I sold 3 of them in my first farmer's market weekend. And our farmer's market right now is really bad and really slow. So if I can sell 3 at my little farmer's market, this is going to be a killer project for you guys. Now, I bought this design off of Etsy because I am not a designer. I do not make my own designs. A lot of my stuff I'm buying with a commercial license from Etsy. I will contact the seller of this art and ask them if I can put a link into my show notes for this. And if they say it's okay, I will give you guys a link to where I bought it, and you can go buy the exact same thing. Now, when I bought this, I'm still peeling tape, guys. When I bought this, the only hang-up that I had with it was it has tabs on it, and the tabs leave obviously a little piece of wood, which is no big deal. It snaps right apart and breaks apart. Problem is it doesn't leave that nice clean black line on the edge. So if you're not sanding all of your edges off, my trash can's right there, you get little white dots on your black edge that's so nice that we get when we laser cut. So I had all of the tabs taken off of this so that they don't have those little marks when you go to put it together. I do not glue this together. I don't put any finish on it, nothing. Why? Because this is such a great project, and the guy who designed it, and again, I'm dropping stuff on camera, designed it well enough that you can put it together and it stands on its own when you have good material. So I am not selling this assembled. I am selling this broken down. And right there it is. There's a little bench. Obviously there was a picture up there a second ago. How am I selling them? I bought from Uline these little bags. And I do a lot of my kits in these little bags. So drop it in the bag. I don't have any of my little leaflets that I put into my bags with me, but if I think of it and I have a chance before I do this video, I'll put one up there. And up there I'm going to throw a picture of this at the farmer's market if I can. I sell it just like this. No finish, no oil, nothing on it. So the person who's getting it can go home and paint it themselves. You could even take a Sharpie and do this. So great project, great kids project, homeschool, however you want to hashtag the heck out of this and sell it. This project went so fast, so well. 6 of them on a $2.50 sheet. My first weekend, because I had no faith in this product, I only put $8 on it, and I sold 3 of them. So guys, so if I can sell 3 of these for $8 at my little farmer's market here, I know you guys can sell this one too. So go check out the link below if the person gets back to me and I can put this link in there for you. If not, go get on Etsy, go find it. Heck, if you're one of those people who's good at design, please go do it. And if you are a designer and you want to have me do it, one of your projects and show it on camera, I will. So, guys, great project, great money maker. So hopefully the next thing you're going to see is me on the computer and it talking, and it all recorded perfectly, and then you're going to see the laser cutting. So by the time you see me finish talking, all you're going to see after that is the laser cutting these out. Guys, have a great day. Remember, like and subscribe. I want to do these videos for you, but I got to get some subscribers. So help me out, guys. Have a good day. Alright, so we're going to be doing a cool little project that I found on Etsy. And this is a pencil bench. We're using the 1/8" ply. And I'm going to make 3 of these, because that's what I know is going to fit on this piece of wood. So we're going to copy it, paste it, paste it. Alright. Drag these on until they're all lined up where we want them. And now I know for a fact I can get 6 of these on a brand new sheet of plywood. This is the 1/8 inch Baltic birch that I got off of Amazon. And yes, that is a barcode that I took off of a piece, and I photocopied it so that I can make new ones, because they get dingy and they don't work very well after you've used them a couple of times. So we're using what are going to be considered proof grade materials for the draft board on the 1/8 inch ply. We're going to go ahead and hit the start button here. Let the machine scan. We'll see how long this is going to take. And this is just a cut, so it should be pretty quick. So I'm getting my wood off of Amazon, and it's about $2.50 a sheet. So go ahead and do the math, guys. If I make 6 of these, and then I have a whole bunch of wood up here that I'm not even using, and that'll be table scatter, that could be keychains, that could be any number of things. Alright, so we're looking at 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Now normally I would drop some more stuff in here. You know what? Let's just go ahead and do it, guys. Let's go crazy. Let you guys see what my stuff here says. And I want table scatter, robot hearts. Table scatter is obviously just what it sounds like. Stuff that you throw down on your table and makes it look pretty. And I just dye these. If that's something you guys want to see, is how I dye my wood. I don't paint them, I dye them. It's really kind of a cool process. So if that's something you guys want to see, leave me a comment. Yes, I'm fishing for comments, guys. I just drop these in here just to get a little bit more stuff. So I'm going to cancel that print that I had going, because obviously I'm going to need to recalculate once I put all this stuff in here. And yes, I'm doing this really quick because, well, I'm doing a video for YouTube and not just doing my work stuff. So I'm just using the copy and paste feature, just like I did to make more of the benches, in case you're wondering how they keep popping up there. I don't know, there's a way that you guys can see my key pushes. Ooh, that was bad, and it's on camera. Man. Alright, so you get the idea. I'm going to go ahead and stop my recording and get this laid out with some more hearts on here, and then you'll see them cut out here in a second. But you'll see that it only adds a minute or two, and I get a whole bunch more table scatter and hearts and parts for projects and stuff. Yeah, I've only added a minute and I've got a whole bunch of hearts in here. So I'm going to drop some more hearts. The next thing you'll see, guys, will be the laser cutting stuff out.